Greetings. Happy day, happy weekend. So doing a little something different today. I'm not going to have my face on camera just because I'll be doing a lot of speed throughs and just showing you how my piece turned out that almost caught on fire the other night. Today I decided to finish it, so we'll go ahead and get started. I am just going to mix up my Total Boat tabletop epoxy, part A and part B. It is measured by volume, so I am just going to pour about two ounces, maybe 4 ounces, just to be on the safe side. So safety first, put my gloves on. I don't know how I keep ending up with gloves that are super tight. Okay, and this is my part B and this is my part A. My part A is a little thick. Okay. And 2 ounces of part B. Right. That got to 4 quick. Okay. And I have my timer, and we start. Let's see. It has not solidified. It has not solidified. Thank you, Jesus. Okay, so we're just going to pour. It is still cloudy. Just making sure I'm getting it in the corners. The little bit that I have left in here, I like to use it all. Okay. And because for the most part it was set, I can move that around like that. Oh, like that. Just to make sure everything is covered, and then it will self-level itself out on the rest. Okay. Okay. Take some alcohol, just regular 91%. And that helps with the bubbles. Then I'll let it sit for a moment. Let it sit. It's still really cloudy. I don't know why. The temperature and everything in my room is correct and everything, so we'll see, and pray that it clears. It clears clear and not cloudy like that. Okay, so I'll be back tomorrow to see how it turned out. Bye! So we'll get started. Now, this one was the one that I finished from the Total Boat accident where the resin was smoking because it was too hot. The resin basically overheated. So this one already had one layer. The second layer, when I got ready to pour it, for some reason it was still cloudy, and I had stirred for 3 to 5 minutes and it just would not uncloud. So I was like, oh, you know, maybe it'll clear once it gets in the resin mold or the silicone mold, and it didn't. It cleared cloudy. But it is hard. I mean, it's cured, so I don't know. We shall see. And like I said, I love these round molds because they just peel back so effortlessly. All right. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, that is pretty. Okay. Now, the back is cloudy, and I could have poured more resin because some of my rocks did not get covered, and there is a sharp rock sticking up. So I'll have to sand that down before I top coat it and put a, what do you call it, something to hang it with. But that is very pretty. And that was just the blue gems and the gold diamond confetti that I have. So that's very, very pretty. And it has some translucentness to it. So I absolutely love that. Okay, that's a winner.